Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change Wix product option images. To get started, open your Wix site in the editor, so you're on the page editing screen. This is the area where you can manage your website content and make updates to your store. Updating product images is an important part of managing an online store because customers rely heavily on visuals when deciding whether to purchase something. Having clear and accurate product images can make your store look more professional and help create a better shopping experience. Once you're there, look to the top left corner and click on My Business. This section gives you access to the tools connected to your site, including your online store and product settings. After that, click on Store's Products. This will take you to the list of products currently available in your Wix store. Here, you'll want to locate the specific product whose image you want to change. If you have a large catalog, take your time and make sure you're selecting the correct item, since any changes you make will apply directly to that product. Choosing the correct product is important, especially if your store has many similar items or multiple variations. A small mistake here could update the wrong product, so always double-check before making changes. Once you find the product, click on it to open its details. This is where you can edit important product information, including descriptions, pricing, and of course, product media. Look for the images and video section. This is the area that controls the visuals shown for that product on your storefront. Your product images are one of the first things customers notice, so keeping this section updated helps make sure your storefront always represents your products accurately. To remove an image, hover your mouse over the image you want to replace. You should see an option to remove it. Click Remove, and that image will be taken out of the product's media gallery. This is useful if you're updating outdated product photos, correcting the wrong image, or simply improving the presentation of your product listing. For example, if you have changed your product packaging, improved your photography, or uploaded a better quality image, replacing the old image can make your product page look much more professional. Next, click the plus sign to add a new image for your product. From there, upload the replacement image you want to use. Make sure the image you choose is clear, high quality, and matches the product accurately, since product visuals can have a big impact on how professional your store looks and how confident customers feel when browsing. When choosing replacement images, try to use photos with good lighting, clear details, and a style that matches the rest of your store. Consistent product images can make your website feel more trustworthy and organized. After you've finished updating the image, click Save. This is an important final step because, without saving, your changes may not be applied to the product. Once saved, the updated image should appear in your product listing and be visible to customers on your site. It's always a good idea to preview the product page after saving to confirm that the new image appears correctly and looks good across different devices. That's all it takes to change a Wix product option image. Just go to your page editor, open My Business, select Store's Products, choose the product, update the image in the Images and Videos section, and save your changes. If you're making several updates, it's a good idea to review the product afterward to make sure everything looks exactly the way you want. Keeping your product images updated regularly can help improve your store's appearance, give customers more confidence, and create a smoother shopping experience for anyone visiting your Wix website.